Exploring the Heart of Dixie, a deep dive into its meaning and origins. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a fascinating phrase you might have come across, the Heart of Dixie. This phrase is rich in history and culture, and understanding it can give you insight into a significant part of American identity. So, let's dive in and explore what makes the Heart of Dixie so special. The Heart of Dixie refers to the southern United States, particularly emphasizing the state of Alabama. The term Dixie itself is a nickname for the southern states, especially those that formed the Confederacy during the American Civil War. The phrase evokes images of the South's traditional values, culture, and the historical context of the Civil War era. It's often used with a sense of pride and affection for the Southern way of life. The term Dixie has several theories regarding its origin. One popular theory is that it derived from the Mason-Dixon line, which was the boundary between the free, northern, and slave, southern, states before the Civil War. Another theory suggests it came from banknotes issued by the Citizens Bank of New Orleans, which were known as Dixies, because they had Dix, French for 10, printed on them. Regardless of its exact origin, Dixie became synonymous with the southern states. Alabama is often called the Heart of Dixie because it's considered the center of the Deep South, both geographically and culturally. This nickname was popularized in the mid-20th century as part of a campaign to promote tourism in the state. Alabama embodies the quintessential Southern culture, from its historical significance in the Civil War to its contributions to Southern cuisine, music, and traditions. The phrase, the Heart of Dixie, carries a deep cultural significance. It represents a love for the Southern lifestyle, including hospitality, warmth, and a rich heritage of music and cuisine. However, it's also a term that can evoke complex emotions due to the South's history of slavery and segregation. Understanding this phrase requires acknowledging both the pride in Southern culture and the critical aspects of its history. We hope this exploration of the Heart of Dixie has been enlightening and has helped you appreciate the depth and complexity of this phrase. It's more than just a nickname for Alabama or the South. It's a window into a significant part of American culture and history. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of the English language. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.